Amador with Pacific Exteriors. We are in Lake Stevens, Washington. We are doing a partial reside. Let me show you what that looks like. We're out here again, Lake Stevens, letting you know we've completed the project. Everything went great out here. It was about 3 weeks of work. Client went with a dark body color and a light trim color, along with a third accent color for their gables. If you would like something like this done to your home, please visit our website at pacificexteriorsllc.com. Reach out to us anytime you'd like. Thank you for watching.